Binary searches are very valuable ways to search through data sets in O of log n time. The only downside to a binary search is that one of the conditions that have to be met before you can run a binary search is your dataset needs to be sorted. So we're going to go over a quick run through or how it would look like and the iterations that your code will run. So if we have a set that goes from 1 to 20 and we want to look for element 16, your code is going to split the interval in half. So 10 will be your midpoint. And then in this case, since 16 is greater than 10, it will search the right side and it will cut off from 1 to 10, it will cut all of those numbers off. So your interval is from 11 to 20. Then it will find the midpoint, which is 15, and because 16 is greater than 15, it will cut off everything to the right and focus on the interval from 16 to 20. In this interval, 18 is the midpoint. It checks, is 18 greater than 16? Yes, so it will check everything to the right. Then in iteration 4, it's going to look at 16 and 17. It'll find that the midpoint is 16. It does integer division and it will round down in this case. So it will find that 16 is at index 15 and it will return 15.